Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we are going to talk about the best master locks in the market, the Proven Industries Model 2516 Trailer Lock. The Proven Industries Model 2516 Trailer Lock is a heavy-duty lock designed to protect your trailer from theft. Constructed from hardened steel, this lock is tough and resistant to tampering. The unique key design prevents picking and unauthorized duplication of keys. This custom-tailored lock fits 2 and 5/16" couplers, ensuring a secure fit on your trailer. Made in the USA, Proven Industries prides itself on providing effective and secure trailer locks. Sturdiness. The lock is built to last with its hardened steel construction. Lock feature. The unique key design prevents picking and unauthorized duplication. Easy to install. The lock is custom-tailored to fit 2 and 5/16" couplers for easy installation. Easy to use. The lock is user-friendly and provides secure protection for your trailer. Many customers have praised the lock for its quality, ease of installation, and appearance. Customers appreciate the level of security and peace of mind this lock provides. Some customers have mentioned the outstanding customer service provided by Proven Industries. The Proven Industries Model 2516 Trailer Lock is the best master lock available in the market. If you're looking for a high-quality, secure trailer lock, look no further than the Proven Industries Model 2516. Stay tuned for more product reviews and recommendations on Product Critique. Thank you for watching.